Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing the topic that is this book, basically, and this videos, basically. From these videos, basically, lots of people basically got award, basically. In that, basically, the government also basically knows that basically the award, basically, which was they basically have got, basically, they have got on the base of this video only, basically. So you can just imagine, basically, the Maruti like company basically is copying the video of Sunil R. Nair and taking the credit of this video, sorry, credit to themselves basically. So they are telling that basically they have done this basically. So the person like Maruti Group basically, they are doing like this type of activity basically. And they are telling that basically we have done this basically. So one of the person told that Maruti like company basically is doing chori basically from this video basically and telling that basically this book is basically created by me and they are basically getting the awards that also national award basically. So you can just imagine basically up to what level this video basically is containing. So one of the person told that Sunil basically told that that's good basically they have got the award. That's good basically somebody used this video and basically got this award basically. That is the national award basically. So here basically I'm not telling that basically you have copied my video and then basically you are basically telling that basically that this book is created by me, this book is that book is created by me. That basically I'm not telling directly. I am just telling that the big company, the big people, which kind of people they are basically. So you can just imagine basically the big post people basically who are sitting at the top level post. They say that basically this book is created by me and they are basically taking the national award. And that basically the Indian government is giving him award also. But Indian government know this that this book is basically taken from this Sunil R. Nair video basically. So Indian government knows. It's not like that basically Indian government don't know. But here the concern is just that simple thing basically. That Sunil R. Nair basically found some error basically in the tech user controls. And that error is very big error basically. It's not a small error basically. It is going to convert to very big level basically. That's why the Indian government basically don't like Sunil R. Nair basically. And even basically the American government. Why? Because both governments are same basically. And here basically Chinese government also connected, Korean government also connected. Why? Because they are placing the missiles. Na? They are placing the satellites of Americans basically. So the entire business is connected with each other. So if you take panga with America, then basically China basically automatically you have taken panga. Panga means you have basically started fighting basically. If you are fighting with India, that means by default you fighted with America, China and Korean group basically. So this all you can just imagine the chaining basically. The one person told that basically the person who is handling the world basically is handling the world. Just see basically how he is handling. So it's everything basically connected with the chain basically. So Chinese, Americans, Korean group never going to fight 100% basically. Why? Because their business basically are connected with each other. If they will fight, then some other party will come and he is going to rule the space. And if he is basically coming, then basically he have to solve out the previous problems basically. That is the currently basically the Trump government came, right? But he actually is not really basically the problem created person. Basically. He basically just now came basically 5 years before basically. So he basically has not created the problem because text box equal to thousand city. He basically created thousand city. No, but ultimately basically his name came. Why? Because he's a currently government ruling person basically. So by default his name came with. So here basically we are not going into the problem basically. Here just the concern is the big level post basically people how they basically how they're thinking basically. That basically I'm thinking. One Maruti group basically taken the award on the base of this video basically. That also national award basically. So you can just imagine basically. So here basically we are not going into which person, that this that basically. So you can just imagine basically. And he basically has not subscribed also basically. That is the main thing basically. So here basically we are not going up to the things basically what he has not subscribed. Here basically we are doing our duties basically. But in this basically I am not getting a single subscriber also basically. That is also the main thing. Why? Because you have taken panga with American government, Indian government, and by default basically Chinese group also came into this picture. North Korean group also came into the picture. So you have taken panga with very big people basically. Panga means fighting basically is ongoing. But that is for the space group basically. So that basically if you will do the analysis basically in space how many people basically died, the major will be this user controls. Without computer basically space is going to work? No basically. So that basically is the missiles are sending the power supply for the space and the satellites basically so that the things basically can work basically. Here basically the earth planet basically the land is giving the power supply. And that basically we have taken the example of 1 lakh kilometer area in California basically. So here basically I had taken California, but in real basically it can be any city basically. That basically the Canadian group basically knows, France group knows. Why? Because they are into the IT industry hub basically. They are sitting at the IT industry hub. Russian group knows, Indian group knows basically who are into the IT industry. Why? Because they are sitting at the IT hub. IT hub means middle of the IT industry basically. And if he is middle of the IT industry, that means he know everything. So here basically the concern is text box basically was the error basically, and that error basically was found by Sunil R. Nair. So in next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this topic.